Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to create an account on Capcut. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is, open your Capcut application. After it opens, on the bottom of your mobile screen, you will see different options. And from these options, you have to tap on this option, which is on the bottom right. And here you can see the ways by which you can create your account on Capcut. The first one is with TikTok. The second one is with Google. Third one is you can use another email like Microsoft. And the last one is Facebook. So from these, you have to choose by which you want to create an account on Capcut. For me, I will create my account with my Google account. So that's why I am tapping on this option. Sign in with Google. Now you can see I sign in with my Google account in Capcut. If you are trying to sign in for the first time, then maybe it will ask to write your password of Google account or any other account. Then you have to write and need to give the permission to Capcut, and then you will be logged in Capcut with that account. So it was your primary way by which you can create an account on Capcut.